So although clouds can offer us the speed, simplicity, and value that today's business velocity requires, getting there can be quite a complex exercise. It's always important to have the right expertise in play and to build the right mix of relationships, services, and plans for the transition. These partnerships can be with planners and system integrators, cloud application providers, network and virtual hardware service providers, telecom or mobile carriers, and even specialists in delivering business and mobile applications that interact with the cloud. Now, there are a number of very important factors that need to go into building private, public, and hybrid clouds. And there are many functional as well as non-functional requirements that absolutely must not be overlooked. There are also special considerations and integration aspects when multiple service providers are involved and the qualification of those partners themselves. Many experienced enterprise architecture planners are now coming to terms with the fact that the cloud introduces both significant opportunities as well as considerable new challenges. Take, for example, governance and security around cloud implementations. This is a much debated topic around which we could have a separate conversation altogether. For example, SLAs and contracts related to cloud services need to be very robust. And there are significant user education and policy aspects that need to be addressed as well. After all of that, but there are also operational benefits that can work in our favor as technology itself progresses. Operating systems like Windows 8, for instance, will introduce new security and support considerations for any in-house teams that we may normally assign such responsibilities to. So in this situation, outsourcing these as part of our cloud service strategies and having our service provider address them instead of our own teams can result in both major cost savings as well as a better, more current capability set in the field. The process of bringing all this together is called cloudsourcing. Cloudsourcing is the art of strategically combining and integrating business partnerships with cloud service providers. Getting cloudsourcing right is very critical because we can't outsource everything. There will always be strategic differentiators that can not and should not be outsourced. And after we implement our business model in the cloud, if we don't have a core team in place, none of the benefits that we gain or the knowledge that we gain will stick. But instead of large, cumbersome IT departments, a good cloud and utility computing strategy can leverage lightweight team structures that are very well balanced with our organization's business goals. These new models can help us streamline our ability to support the business. There are several very interesting organizational structures that we can provide that are suitable for specific types of businesses. In moving to the cloud, we should also make sure that we maximize our business benefits from the scalability, efficiency, elasticity, and other advantages that cloud and managed service models provide. We need to take advantage of the off-the-shelf business processes and market entry benefits that the service providers themselves can sometimes enable. A good example of this is the AppExchange community created by Salesforce. There's a vast pool of customized services and resources that AppExchange makes available for applications developed on Force.com. Many of these extensions are developed by customers themselves. The future of IT will be less about systems, software development, and support. It's going to be a lot more about focusing and strategically aligning technology services with our core business needs and leveraging service partnerships to the maximum. Internally, we'll also see nimble new teams taking on far greater responsibilities and who are much more involved in actual business operations. At the leadership level, the focus will be on strong, clear governance and the facilitation of unimpeded, value-focused business execution on demand.